Arrange your practice session. Give yourself enough time to fully digest all the information you process in your mind during practice. Avoid practicing the same material twice a day. It can be frustrating to feel that what you practiced in the morning becomes worse when practicing it again in the evening. Give yourself a good night's sleep. The next morning, you will be relieved to discover that everything you practiced the previous day is much easier to play. Your practice plan might be structured as follows. Day 1. Part 1 in the morning, Part 2 in the evening. Day 2. Part 1 in the morning, Part 2 in the evening. Everything in our life is just a learning field to better ourselves, whether it's practicing, studying, or working. You'll be surprised that by changing your attitude while practicing, you will not only better yourself, but also improve your practice. You will find yourself more at ease and less overwhelmed and frustrated while studying. Instead of feeling guilt or pity for yourself for not playing well enough, not learning fast enough, feeling that something is wrong with you, doubting yourself, simply start being kind toward yourself. Acknowledge every little step you take while practicing, whether it's improving a single measure or playing a difficult part a little bit more smoothly. Constantly tell yourself that you did well. And if something still doesn't work, simply recognize that it will get better with time and that you did your best. Playing piano is not easy. In addition to daily hard work, you might constantly feel pressure from your teacher as well as from deadlines of your performances and auditions. Accumulating tension and stress is inevitable, and you have to find a way to release that pressure. Otherwise, the closer you're moving towards your performance date, the more anxious, insecure, and frozen you will feel. You might even have thoughts of giving up the piano and doubting your abilities as a musician and your decision to study piano in the first place. Pressure and tension can build up if you're not releasing your frustration and anger, subconsciously directing it towards yourself. To avoid these dangerous moments, use a healthy method to release your anger. Get yourself a pillow and shout into it. Do so with all your frustration, pain, and tears, allowing yourself to get angry as a part of your piano practice. Another way is to punch the same pillow or a boxing pear ball. After these anger release sessions, most of the tension, stress, pain, and pressure will be gone. Even if nothing has apparently changed from the outside, inside you will feel lighter, optimistic, more peaceful, and calm. And don't forget that a good way of releasing tension is simply to share fun, laughter, and good times with friends.